Alright, so here we have the Waterpik water flosser. So if you haven't used one of these, you're definitely missing out. This kit here comes with the main flosser and also a travel, which is called the Cordless Pearl, and this is the Ultra Plus. So here are some of the features that it has. More things like bacteria, teeth cleaning, things like that. Here's all the features on the back side, which there are plenty of them, and also for the portable. So you got a seal here, so make sure this is not broken. I just cut mine so we can open it up. Very well packed. We got our charging cord. So now we just got to figure out how to get this box apart. And everything's on the inside. So we have a storage bag for the portable. A little instruction manual on how to use it. It is be decent sized. You get extra picks in there, different styles. And you guys can see where the water goes. Tanks in the back. It is a little larger than I thought it was going to be, but not bad. And on this other side, we got the main unit. Also comes with its own manual. And this thing is really nice. So we've been using Waterpik for many years and cannot live without it anymore, as it keeps your teeth really clean. And this unit here is a very good overall model that's got enough pressure, and you can have all the settings there. Mechanical switch, which is nice. And a pretty decent cord length to fit in pretty much any bathroom. So the top here is kind of like a storage also for your picks. And here's our attachments. We get a couple, and they can go in here. But yeah, really nice kit and everything you get with this set.